Welcome back to another episode of the Spark videos, where we demo new features based on customer feedback. And today we're going to talk about the new feature of enable and disable design keys. In an early version of INTERCONNECT, we allowed users to specify a version for the compact model libraries or design keys. Then to switch versions of a CML, users need to uninstall and then install the new version of the CML. And now with this enable and disable design keys feature, users can keep two versions of the CMLs in the design keys folder and choose one to be enabled to use for the circuit design. For example, I have a version 2.0 and version 3.0 Loom Foundry template CMLs installed, and to use the elements in either version, I just need to enable it in the GUI. So only one version can be enabled, and the elements in the disabled compact model library will be hidden. And users can see and use the models in the enabled CML. And that's it for this week. Please stay tuned for our new features coming out next week.